What's swinging, guys? It's Carlo here, and today I'm at work with Mundringer behind the camera, and I'm going to show how to use one of these. Well, this is called a solar gun. It's quite cool, but I don't know how it does the white ones in the white order bits, like how it is like that. So, what is it with those wires and stuff that connect everything, ma'am?
Tubes.
Oh yeah, that's what they do. So if you see, well, I'm gonna get myself as a Coke, but if you see, I'll show you what one's this. This does soda water, I believe, and the D does Diet Coke, the L does lemonade, and the C does Coke. Don't know what the zero and the B is for.
The water at the bottom is just cool water.
Yeah, don't know what the O and the B is
We don't use
for. But anyways, guys, you'll see, when you press it, you have to hold it down as long as you want it, like this. So you'll see now, guys, show the cup please, man. So you'll see it there, guys, see it comes like that, but if you want it to stop, I'm going to put a bit more in this, guys, but you'll see if you let go of it, it stops like that, and you'll keep doing this, and then that's it there.
That's a good head.
So basically that's how to do the Coke. If you want lemonade, do the same as I did, but with the L button. If you want Diet Coke, do the one with the B. So will I be able to show how to do them as well?
Soon.
Alright, then I'll wait for that one. So this is going to be it for this video, guys. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe for future content. Until next time, ring out.